Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix black horizontal lines on your Android. Now a quick one, you can try to restart your Android by pressing the power button for quite a long time, and then when you press there, security options will pop up, then choose restart. If that doesn't work for you, additionally you can come to your settings. Once you come to your settings, come and look for display and brightness. Then look for the screen refresh rates, this one here. Then make sure it's in standard. Sometimes if it's in auto switch or high, it can cause the black lines in your screen. So basically you can try to troubleshoot using a few of those things. Then also one more thing, you can check for the software update and make sure that your Android is running on the latest software. For my case guys, I'm running on the latest software, and obviously that's it. So thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. We shall meet